I got some bedrock at least. I'm going a little bit. Okay guys, so we just hiked in and it is rainy. So I don't know how long we'll stay. We'll see if we can set up these bucket rigs real quick. So the rain still has not let up any, but I think we're going to do our first clean out. A lot of black sand there in the mat. So let's do a clean out, see what we have.
I got a couple of little bitty micro.
So not a good clean out, man.
I mean, I got really micro and some. Not even safe.
Not even safe.
No.
Man.
Shit, my biggest, you know, I mean, freaking little seat.
Yeah, sometimes. That's not good. I don't know if we need to move up.
You might have more.
Have you done all your mats, everything?
Yeah. I wanna fly.
Yeah, small stuff. Okay guys, so here's the first clean out. Got that one piece that I had in the mat, but just a lot of fine gold. Sometimes we have to improvise here on the creek.
Yeah.
Peter set up a nice little rock stand.
Woo!
Big stuff, it's coming down there. Get it, get it, get it.
Where did you get that at?
Get it, get it.
Therefore we've been pulled
yeah,
on.
right here.
Therefore we still down.
Oh, yeah. So the rain has not stopped, and I think we'll do our second clean out, but I think we will call this a short day. The rain has just not stopped any. It's just been steady rain. Got a nice piece in the pan.
I got a lot of fun.
Yeah, nothing big though.
No.
So more than what you had before. Well, dang, that's a great clean out.
Yeah.
So we're working the creek and just the edge of the bank. So yeah, that's a great clean out for Peter. So we may run one more time, I don't know.
I will wait until the rain slows down, and I will try here.
We are going to call it a day. Peter's doing his last clean out. My last clean out was not that good. Not much at all, so. But the rain did finally stop. Peter's got his drone going up there. That's cool, man.